In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot for marketing. First, log in to your HubSpot account and open the dashboard. From the top menu, click Marketing to view the available marketing tools. Here, you can create email campaigns, build landing pages, manage forms, schedule social media posts, and track your marketing performance. To create an email campaign, go to Marketing, then Email, and click Create Email. Choose a template, customize the content, add your recipients, and review everything before sending or scheduling the email. If you want to capture leads, open Marketing, then Forms, and create a new form. Add the fields you need, save the form, and embed it on your website or landing page. You can also create landing pages by going to Marketing, then Landing Pages, choose a template, edit the content, publish the page, and use it to promote your products, services, or campaigns. To monitor your results, open the Reports or Analytics section from the dashboard. That's how you can use HubSpot for marketing. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.